Hello and welcome to the first episode of our Flutter series. In this video we will introduce you to Flutter, explain what it is, and why it's an excellent choice for mobile app development. Flutter is an open-source UI toolkit created by Google. It allows developers to build natively compiled applications for mobile, web, and desktop from a single codebase. Flutter stands out for several reasons. First, fast development. With Flutter's hot reload, you can quickly see the results of your code changes without restarting your app. Second, expressive and flexible UI. Flutter includes a rich set of customizable widgets for building highly responsive interfaces. Third, native performance. Flutter's widgets incorporate all critical platform differences such as scrolling, navigation, icons, and fonts, ensuring a native performance on both iOS and Android. Let's set up Flutter on your machine. First, navigate to the official Flutter website at flutter.dev. Click on Get Started and choose your operating system. Follow the installation instructions to download the Flutter SDK. Once the download is complete, extract the zip file and add the Flutter tool to your system path. This allows you to run Flutter commands from the terminal. Open your terminal and run the command flutter doctor. This command checks your Flutter installation and displays any missing dependencies. Follow the instructions to resolve any issues. Next, set up an editor for Flutter development. We recommend Visual Studio Code. For low-end devices, install VS Code from code.visualstudio.com and Android Studio for high-end devices. Then, install the Flutter and Dart plugins to enable Flutter support in VS Code. Let's create your first Flutter app. In VS Code, open the command palette with Ctrl-Shift-P and type Flutter New Project. Enter a name for your project and choose a location to save it. Now, let's explore the project structure. The lib directory contains the main Dart file, main.dart, which is the entry point for your Flutter application. To run your app, ensure you have an emulator set up or a physical device connected. In VS Code, click on the Run button or enter the command Flutter Run in the terminal. Your first Flutter app should now be running on your device. One of Flutter's most powerful features is hot reload. Make a change in your code, save it, and see the results instantly without restarting your app. Try changing the text in the main.dart file and save it to see hot reload in action. Congratulations on creating your first Flutter app. In the next episode, we will dive deeper into Dart, the programming language behind Flutter. We will cover the basics of Dart and how to write efficient code. Don't forget to subscribe Nectar Vision for more Flutter tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. See you in the next episode.